All right, man, we ready to do this?
Ready to do this.
All right. We're gonna go grab us a little bit of a hike here, see if we can't get us tuckered out.
Oh, the day I break these chains, I'm bound for the life of the simple things.
It's a great fall day. Gonna go and rock a hike now. This is near LaCamas Lake, and we're starting off at LaCamas Park. It's a, what did you say, about an hour hike?
Yeah, about an hour hike.
Gotta love the great big evergreen tree here. Gonna start this hike out right. The lake is low.
Yeah, I've never seen it this low. Yeah, usually it's like high up to that tree.
Yeah. You can tell it's really low because of how the rocks sit.
Yeah, it's above those rocks, definitely.
I wish I was just a little bit taller. I wish I was a baller. Oh, my bad. All right, let's go see if I can get a angle of that waterfall. I could just barely see it through the trees. Doo-doo-doo. Yeah, it's hiding there, but it looks good. I bet you that would be an awesome swimming spot. What do you guys think? Tell me down below. You want to go swimming? This has been a nice little hike. We're just about done here now. Came down here along the bridge and everything. There was a few little hills and stuff, but this one's a pretty level hike. It happens to be just a few miles away from the house I used to live in. So on the way back, I think I'm gonna go ahead and stop by there and see what it looks like today. Sweet. That's sweet. Ah, come on. Trying to get up there. I'm a little bit off the trail. Okay, now that we're all done hiking, Mario's gonna take me to my old house.
Yep.
Let's go see what it looks like. There it is! White house, black trim still. And these shrubs right here were me. I planted these trees. Those trees are huge now. Right there, look at those shrubs. They're so big now. So I sodded, whoops, I sodded all that, and those rocks right there. Jace, I don't know if you remember Jace, Mario, but this rock, he helped me go and grab that rock and put it there later on, just before I sold it. And the fence is all short like this because it's on a quarter lot. I was gonna have it all tall, but the city people came and like busted me. I'll be right back. I'm gonna knock on the door and see if they'll let me see inside too.
Are you serious?
Maybe not.
Damn, pretty fun.
I am ballsy. So on the back here, guys, I used to have a jacuzzi. We used to do parties there. It was a pretty big hot tub, about 10 people, and I had it sunk into the deck, so I built that deck. They did a nicer job with the railing on the side than I had, and these shrubs here, I put them all in. These were all put in by me. Well, not all of them. A couple of these I don't recognize, but all of this stuff right here, these are all originals that I had put in. I didn't do that though. That's different. It was put in after. But if you see, it's built up so the hot tub could sink down into the deck, so you could just step over. And this rock, when I put that rock in there, looks like the weed cover is about gone. But when I put this rock in here, I started off with the rock that came out of the yard when I got ready to sod it, and then had this rock in here. It was full all the way to the edge though when I did it, so it must have compacted after the years. So I don't know if I should try. I'm almost tempted to though, but I wonder how many times it's changed hands too over the last, what I'd say, I sold it in 05 or 06, 05. So I wonder how many times it changed hands since 2005. Now inside I had Uba Tuba granite counters, white cabinetry, and cherry hardwoods. Mario here's gonna show me a little place that he likes to just hang out sometimes. Welcome to the Northwest, guys. Here's the Columbia River. It's so low. I don't think I've ever seen it this low. So Mario, how are you feeling after that hike?
Hey. You know?
All right, so what do we got here? I think, isn't this the spot that you got the carnitas?
Nah.
No? Oh, okay. Different spot?
Yeah, different spot.
It's a cool little place. Did not have the proper pork rinds. All right, guys, so I got pupusas here. Now, back in college, Mario's mom, every once in a while, she would make these for me, and I so love them. I love pupusas. It's a Salvadorian staple. Explain it.
It's like a thick tortilla with a bunch of, there's different styles. Like you can have, you can put cheese in there, pork, beans, and just like a stuffed, I don't know how to explain, like thick stuffed tortilla.
Yeah, it's like a really fancy pancake.
Except with meat.
Get out there, connect with people, live your big story, and make sure you do something every single day to reduce world suck. Peace, guys.